In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find QuickBooks license number, full 2026 guide. If you're reinstalling QuickBooks, verifying your account, or speaking with support, you'll often be asked for your license number. Think of it as the unique identifier that proves your software is properly registered. It's important, it's sensitive, and the good news is, it's easy to find right inside your QuickBooks interface. Start by heading to the top right corner of your QuickBooks window. Look for the small gear icon, sometimes called the settings or cog icon. It's typically beside your profile and help options. Give that gear icon a click. If you're on a smaller screen or a resized window, the header can compress a bit, so make sure your window isn't zoomed in too far or minimized. The icon won't move, but it can be a little less obvious when the layout is compact. When the menu opens, you'll see a list of options designed to help you manage your company and account. From here, select additional info. Depending on your display and language settings, the wording may appear with slightly different capitalization, but it will read as additional info. Click that, and you'll be taken to a page or panel that shows the product details tied to your account. Right there, you'll see the license number. It's usually presented alongside other identifying information for your QuickBooks product. Take a moment to copy it carefully. If you're writing it down, double-check each character, especially zeros and the letter O, which can look similar in certain fonts. If you're copying it digitally, paste it into a secure note or password manager so you can retrieve it quickly in the future. Because this is sensitive information, avoid sharing it in emails, chats, or screenshots that aren't secure. That's all there is to it. Click the gear icon at the top right, select additional info, and your license number will be visible on that screen. If you want a quick sanity check, you can pause this video, follow those clicks in your own account, and confirm you see the number exactly as described. As a final tip, consider labeling where you store the number with the product year or plan name so it's clear what it belongs to. Keeping it organized now can save you time when you need it urgently during an install or a support call. You now know exactly where to find your QuickBooks license number quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you want to follow along step by step.